Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, then do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So gold is trading at 1903 right now. Yesterday when we were um, talking about the chart of gold was in this position. Okay, if you have watched my previous video, then as per our expectation, we got a profit of around 30, 40, 50 pips. And as I told you that you should not be going further because we had a huge possibility of market falling. And yes, we saw a huge drop on the price of gold, and gold came down to the level of 1891 as well. Okay, and from there we saw gold bouncing. If you have been watching my videos, then we have talked in detail about the support zone of 1890 to 1896. We have talked in detail in many of our videos. Hopefully you made good profit yesterday. So let's see what are the trading opportunities that we have for today. Right now gold is trading here. The problem with the market right now is that though market has bounced from the support, though market has taken support, but if you try to analyze these candles here, okay, then you can see that 1 2 3 4 5, okay, one sell candle and 5 or 4 buy candles. So it gives us the idea that still there are sellers who are dominating the market right now. Okay, still this is a seller's market. Though market has respected the support, but we cannot deny the fact that sellers are still controlling the market right now. So as a result, still there is a possibility of market going down as well. If you ask me, then I'll say that yes, after making good profit yesterday, this is not the ideal day to trade right now. Okay, right now market is in the middle. We do not have any clarity whether market will be going up or down. We simply know from these candles that this is a seller's market. Keep in mind that you do not need to trade every day. A trader only trades when the opportunity is right. Be a trader, not a gambler. So the first trading opportunity that may come is around 1917 to 1918. This can be your first trading opportunity for the day. But keep in mind, this is just a minor resistance. As I have already mentioned, that this is just a minor resistance, not a very strong one. If you see the market is going up with small candles, market is going up and it has reach this resistance, then observe the market and see how the market is reacting or how the market is doing. If you see that market is taking resistance, market is unable to cross this resistance level, market is reversing from the resistance level, you can take a sell position, but confirmation is important. For example, after some time, after a few hours, if you see that there is a sudden bullishness in the market and market is forming big green candles, then do not take a sell position. Take a sell position when you get the confirmation in the form of a shooting star, bearish engulfing pattern, bearish pin bar, or any good price rejection from above. Then only take a sell position. Never forget, no level is permanent in the market. Okay, and how we have derived this level, let me show you. We have derived this level from the Fibonacci. Yes, we have used Fibonacci retracement level, and from the Fibonacci we are expecting that this level will be acting as resistance. Okay, so if market goes up and reverses from the minor resistance of 1917 to 1918, we can take a sell position. That is our first trading opportunity. The second trading opportunity is around 1890 to 1892, around the support zone. See, I have mentioned question marks here because already we have seen market taking support yesterday. But if market comes down again, if the selling pressure is high enough, today market may not be able to take support here. Market may fail to take support here. So if today See, during all these days, I have been using the word that we have. This is the strongest support. Strongest support. Yes, this was the strongest support, but right now this is not the strongest support right now because market has already tested. Market has already bounced. Right now, if the sellers push the market further, if the selling pressure increases in the market, then market may break this support as well. So this time, listen to me carefully. This time, if you see market testing the level of 1890, 1891 again, observe. If you see market is for taking support, market is forming hammer kind of a pattern, bullish engulfing pattern, bullish pin bar, then you can go for a buy. But this time you need a confirmation. Yesterday we did not need any confirmation because this was the strongest support zone. Right now we need the confirmation today because market has already tested the level. And never forget that market has constantly forming lower highs in the market. Okay, market is constantly forming lower highs in the market, which signifies increase in selling pressure. Okay, so if you find market taking support and bouncing, you can go for a buy. Do not expect any trend reversal. There may be an upside of 40-50 pips. Once you get the target of 40-50 pips, try to exit from the market. Okay, this is not a long trending market where you can take a buy position and sit for days and weeks. Okay. Still, we do not have the market yet. We do not have any such confirmation yet. So it's better to avoid long positions. And in case market breaks the support of 1890, 1892, yes, there is a high possibility. Yesterday the possibility was very less, but today we have a good possibility of market breaking the support and going down as well. If that happens, then the next support will be 1884 to 1883. This is our next support zone, and then we have support around 1878. So we have three support right now: 1880, 1890 to 1890. First support. If market bounces this time, we can go for a buy. No buy limit. You cannot place buy limit this time because things are quite risky. Secondly, if market breaks it, then 1884, 1883. This is also a more or less good support level, and then we have 1878. These are the three support levels for the day. As of now, I will not recommend any strongest support or strongest resistance. Okay. You must be trade with caution because things have been crazy, very volatile with the market. So please follow proper risk management. My analysis can be wrong as well. Protect your hard-earned money. Bye bye. Take care.